Thank you for choosing a Prova system for your new railing project. Prova railing systems work both indoors and out and are ideal for stairs, landings, decks, and walkways. Prova is designed for simple installation for either new or existing construction. Begin installation by reviewing this video in its entirety. All components are packaged separately and include instructions. Review the parts list and the parts that are included with your Prova system purchase. Depending on your preferences and construction, choose top mount or side mount aluminum posts. Then select your filler elements and choose your railings. Be sure to use only Prova fasteners for installing posts, fittings, and handrails. Anchor post screws securely in a solid wood backing. Always use all the mounting screw holes provided. Center posts no more than 40 inches apart. Install Prova posts with the fittings for steel tubes or cables facing inside or outward, depending on your preferences. This demonstration will use the Prova stainless steel tube infill. Alternate Prova Systems infill components include stainless steel cable or clear acrylic panels. You'll use either 8 or 10 stainless steel tubes based on your post height. Check your local building codes to determine your code requirements. Install tube sections, passing each tube through the fittings by loosening the set screw on each fitting. Then, tighten each tube section securely to the infill fitting using the set screw. For seamless tube connections, splice tubes at the post fittings, or use connector fittings provided to connect tubes end to end in midfield. We recommend using an angle grinder if it is necessary to cut tubes. Rubber caps are provided to finish tube ends. Connectors have adjustable elbows for angles or corners may be finished using optional 90-degree tube corner components. Using an Allen wrench, tighten set screws on connectors and elbows securely. To install Prova aluminum hand railings to your posts, loosen the plate from the post top bracket to slide the handrail into each post. Then tighten set screws securely. Use handrail connections to connect railings together in a straight line or handrail junctions for angles. Handrail end caps are available to finish your railing runs. That's all there is to it. The Prova system will transform your views of nature's beauty from decks, balconies, and both indoor and outdoor rail systems.